Is your Tesla Model S navigation acting up, experiencing GPS failures, maps not loading, or system instability? You're not alone. These issues, while frustrating, often have straightforward solutions. This video will guide you through common fixes, from simple reboots to understanding when professional service is needed, based on the latest Tesla updates as of January 2026. We'll cover how to get your Model S back on track. Tesla's navigation system relies on three key components working together: GPS for location tracking, cellular data for real-time updates, and proprietary maps for detailed routing. This architecture diagram shows how these components integrate with the vehicle's electric and electronic systems, forming the foundation of Tesla's navigation. Navigation failures can occur due to software glitches, which are temporary bugs in the system's code that can cause GPS drift or map errors. Weak cellular signals, especially in rural areas, prevent the system from accessing real-time data or updating maps. This map shows LTE coverage variations that can affect navigation reliability. Tesla server outages can temporarily disrupt map loading and updates, as the system depends on cloud-based services for the latest information. Older Model S units may have hardware limitations, such as outdated GPS modules or degraded antennas, which can't handle modern navigation demands as effectively. Understanding these potential causes is like diagnosing a problem before applying a fix. It helps identify whether a simple reboot might resolve the issue or if deeper solutions are needed. The most common solution for Tesla navigation issues is a simple reboot. This clears temporary memory problems and often resolves glitches without needing professional help. For minor glitches, try a soft reboot through the touchscreen settings. This reloads the software without fully powering off the vehicle. If the soft reboot doesn't work, perform a hard reboot by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for about 10 seconds. Continue holding until the screen goes black and the Tesla logo appears, indicating the system is restarting. This process clears temporary memory issues and often fixes navigation problems. Remember to pull over before attempting any reboot for safety. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air software updates that include navigation improvements and bug fixes. Ensure your Model S is connected to Wi-Fi for smooth updates. Regularly check for updates in the vehicle's settings menu. Tesla's V2025.2 update, for instance, addressed GPS drift and optimized map caching. Keeping your software up to date is crucial for optimal performance. Tesla's navigation system streams map data from servers, so a stable internet connection is crucial. Without it, maps may not load or GPS accuracy can suffer. Start by checking your cellular signal strength and ensuring you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network when possible. On your Model S touchscreen, go to the Controls menu to view your cellular signal bars and Wi-Fi connection status. Look for strong signal strength indicated by multiple bars, and ensure Wi-Fi is connected to a stable network. If cellular coverage is consistently poor, consider installing a cellular signal booster. This system uses an outside antenna to capture weak signals, amplifies them through a booster unit, and distributes them via an inside antenna. This can significantly improve connectivity in rural or dead zone areas. If connectivity problems persist despite these checks, there may be an issue with your Tesla's internal modem hardware. In such cases, professional service is required to diagnose and repair the modem, ensuring reliable navigation performance. If reboots and software updates don't resolve your Tesla Model S navigation problems, a factory reset can address deeper software conflicts that may be causing the issues. However, be aware that a factory reset will erase all your personal settings, including saved locations, driver profiles, and other customizations. It's crucial to back up your important data through the Tesla mobile app before proceeding. To perform a factory reset, open the Tesla mobile app on your smartphone. Navigate to your vehicle's controls section and select the Factory Reset option, which is typically found in the Advanced or Service Settings menu. Once you confirm the factory reset, the process will begin. This involves reinstalling the vehicle's software and clearing all stored data, which can take several hours, depending on your connection speed and vehicle model. During this time, do not turn off the vehicle or interrupt the process to avoid causing further issues. Remember, Factory reset is a last resort option. It should only be used when simpler fixes like reboots and updates haven't resolved the navigation issues due to the time it takes and the need to restore your settings afterward. And basic troubleshooting steps like reboots, software updates, and connectivity checks fail to resolve Tesla Model S navigation issues, the problem may stem from hardware faults. A common culprit is a faulty GPS module, which can degrade over time in older vehicles. In these cases, professional diagnosis is essential. The GPS module is a critical hardware component that receives satellite signals for positioning. If it's malfunctioning, navigation systems can fail to acquire location data, leading to maps not loading or GPS drift. Tesla's official diagnostics can identify such issues through specialized equipment. Contact Tesla service centers for expert assessment. Their technicians use proprietary tools to test the navigation system and replace faulty components like GPS modules or antennas. This ensures proper repair without risking further damage. Attempting DIY repairs on the navigation system is strongly discouraged. Opening the vehicle's electronics can void the warranty, introduce compatibility issues, or cause electrical damage. Always rely on certified Tesla technicians for hardware-related navigation problems. Tesla's navigation is continuously evolving with AI-driven enhancements and increased offline capabilities. By 2026, Tesla has expanded offline map coverage, integrated smart city data, and implemented AI algorithms to detect and resolve GPS anomalies. The future points toward full satellite independence via projects like TeslaNet, reducing reliance on cellular data and further improving navigation reliability. This will lead to fewer issues and more seamless navigation.